The Honiture G20 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful, intelligent, and versatile cleaning companion designed to make home cleaning effortless. With 6,000 pascals of suction power and a 3,200 mAh high-capacity battery, it provides up to 180 minutes of continuous operation, covering areas up to 200 in a single run. When the battery runs low or cleaning is complete, it automatically returns to its dock to recharge and resumes where it left off, ensuring consistent, uninterrupted cleaning performance. Built with a 3-in-1 design, the G20 Pro sweeps, vacuums, and mops simultaneously for comprehensive cleaning in one go. The detachable dust box and water tank make it simple to maintain, while the adjustable water volume control allows precise mopping suited for different floor types. Whether tackling pet hair, dust, or stubborn stains, it delivers spotless results on both hard floors and carpets with minimal effort. The G20 Pro uses advanced smart navigation and mapping technology to clean methodically in efficient Z patterns instead of random paths. This system achieves up to 95% straight-line dust removal efficiency, ensuring thorough coverage of every corner. Its built-in sensors intelligently detect and avoid obstacles such as furniture, walls, and pets while preventing drops, allowing it to navigate complex layouts safely and smoothly. For even deeper cleaning, the Smart Carpet Boost feature automatically increases suction when the robot detects carpeted surfaces. This powerful adjustment helps remove embedded dirt and hair, seamlessly transitioning between hard floors and carpets for consistent cleaning results. To maintain cleaner air indoors, the G20 Pro features a 3-stage filtration system consisting of a primary filter, a HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. This combination captures dust, allergens, and odors, making it ideal for households with pets or allergy sufferers. With a slim 7.6 centimeters design, the robot easily reaches under furniture and other hard-to-access spaces. Its obstacle detection sensors ensure smooth movement, avoiding collisions and keeping your home spotless without supervision. The vacuum also offers 4 cleaning modes: auto, edge, deep, and spot, so you can tailor each session to your specific cleaning needs, from general daily tidying to targeted deep cleans. For added convenience, magnetic boundary strips let you define custom cleaning zones or block off areas you want the robot to avoid. Perfect for protecting pet zones, fragile decor, or tangled cords, these strips make it easy to control where the vacuum cleans without complex settings. Using the scheduling function, you can program cleaning sessions that suit your lifestyle. Set the G20 Pro to work while you're away or asleep, and return to a spotless home without lifting a finger. Combining strength, intelligence, and simplicity, the Honiture G20 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner redefines modern home cleaning. With its 6,000 pascal suction power, 3-in-1 cleaning system, 180-minute runtime, and smart navigation, it ensures deep and consistent results across all floor types. The HEPA filtration, carpet boost, and auto recharge and resume functions make it ideal for busy households and pet owners alike. Elegant, efficient, and easy to use, the Honiture G20 Pro doesn't just clean. It simplifies your daily life, keeping your home fresh, polished, and effortlessly clean.